That is my philosophy.
And I don't believe in you,
If
Mr.
you do
Mr.
not
Chair.
like if you do not like my ideology, fine. That's mine. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo kung ano yun.
Opo. So what kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
Right thinking.
That's yours. Sa ano niyo yun?
What can else can you think of? It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you. Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Fine, Mr. Chair.
Abang Presidente, dinibdib ko yan. Wala akong agenda. Wala akong dinagdag na baski isang poste sa bahay ko. Wala akong bagong kotse. Hindi ako nakatikim ng Mercedes-Benz. Dinibdib ko talaga ang trabaho ko para sa bayan ko. Pagiging talagang Presidente.